Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our series. Today, we are going to be creating a gallery page where you can showcase your work for your clients to see. So, let's get to it. First, you're going to need to add a new page. Go to Pages and Menu on the left, and under Site Menu, select Add Page. Look for templates under the project's category. If you like, you can also add a blank page that you can design yourself. To add a page, hover over it and click Add Page. And once your page's been added, don't forget to properly rename it. All right, now it's time to edit the contents of your page. If you selected a template, click on a section you want to work on first and click on the Quick Edit button. It will open a panel on the right where you can easily edit its contents, such as changing its section background, strip background, column background, title, as well as a brief paragraph. You can input anything you want over here. That's how you quickly edit a section. By the way, if you started from scratch and would like to add elements, simply go to the plus button, and this is where you can add elements such as texts for your section title and description, as well as a gallery. So you can choose from different layouts they have here. All you have to do is just easily drag and drop your preferred layout onto your page. In my case, I actually selected a template, so we're just going to edit that. I'm going to show you how to edit both, so the one that came with the template and the gallery section you just added from the Add Elements button. So first, we're gonna click on our section and click on Quick Edit. And then we're gonna, one by one, change the images that we have here, starting with the first image. You can find your files. By the way, you can find the files you've uploaded to Wix under the Site Files folder. Let's do the same thing for the second image. And basically, we're just going to do the same thing for all of the other images here until you finish replacing all of the images on your gallery. And if you want to add even more images, you can just simply copy this section. You can just simply extend your section to accommodate more images. Copy a strip, Control plus C, and Control plus V it here. And basically go to Quick Edit once again and replace the images. But if you added a gallery, such as in this case, in order to change the images on this type of gallery, click on it and click on Manage Media. Click on the first image you want to replace and click on Replace Image here. Select an image you want to replace it with and click on Add to Page. By the way, you can also add a title of your image here, a short description, as well as an alt text, which is really helpful in terms of boosting your SEO. If you also want to add a link, input it here. Basically, repeat the process until you finish replacing all of these images with your own image. And by the way, in order to add even more images, simply click on Add Media here and select whether you want to add an image, video, or text. And if you want to remove an image, hover over it, click the three dot button, and select Remove. So once everything's been uploaded, double check your gallery photos. And once it's all good, click on Done and click on Save to save your changes. And that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.